Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing a custom indicator known as the FX Multimeter Indicator. Now, this is a custom indicator, meaning that you will have to download it from an external source and then you'll have to add it to your indicators library on your MetaTrader platform. After that, you can then be able to use it on your chart. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away, as I have already downloaded the indicator and added it to my MetaTrader indicators folder. Okay, so I'm just going to add the indicator right away. This is the FX Multimeter Indicator. All right, now this is quite an interesting indicator. Okay, it combines the functionality of multiple indicators into one streamlined dashboard. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. The indicator comes as a dashboard. All right, and as a result of the combination of the functionality of multiple indicators, as you can see, there is moving average trend here, there is stochastic oscillators, there is PSAR spread, there is the parabolic SAR, there is the MACD. You have multiple indicators combined, and it gives us signals based on that. Now this versatile indicator actually analyzes momentum and averages. Okay, so it now delivers a final buy or sell signal, okay, calculated from all its components, right? So it's quite an easy to read dashboard. Okay, as we can see, we are currently having sell signals, right? You can see we're currently having sell signals, and as we can see, obviously Euro USD has been selling, right? Euro USD has been selling, so the indicator is telling us that we have sell momentum at the moment. Okay, it's showing us that we have sell momentum, we have bearish momentum at the moment. So when you get a signal from the FX multimeter indicator, you should also confirm the signals that the FX multimeter indicator is giving you. Look out on the chart for patterns, right? Possible reversal patterns, continuation patterns, and what have you. So currently, given the sell signal, given the ongoing sell signal, we should be looking for sell opportunities. All right, and for the fact that Euro USD is currently in a sell trend, it even confirms the signal given to us by the FX multimeter indicator. So I'm going to recommend making use of support and resistance zones. All right, you can just plot support and resistance zones on your chart. I always emphasize on the importance of these zones, because these zones give you a heads up as to possible places that price could reverse in the future. All right, once you have set these zones, they continue indefinitely. All right, they continue indefinitely. So now, how do you identify a sell opportunity? The indicator has already given us a signal, right? So we need to look out for good opportunities. Okay, so look at your chart. This is a sell trend. Look for only sell opportunities. We had the price break below the support level, right? You can see that the price of Euro USD broke below the support level, and then we had a form of retest. This was a breakout, and you can see that there was a retest, although the retest did not exactly get to the breakout point. Okay, so right after this retest would have been a good opportunity to enter a sell. All right, because one of the ways that breakouts are confirmed are via retest. Okay, so after the breakout and we had a retest, after the formation of this sell candlestick pattern, it would have been a good place to enter a sell. All right, and after entering a sell, we can set our stop loss above the breakout point. Okay, that would have been a good place to set our stop loss above the breakout point. And then as for our take profit, we can either decide to use the next support zone. We can decide to use the next support zone for our take profit, or we can decide to watch out for a buy signal from our FX multimeter indicator. All right, so those are two of the ways you can decide to exit. You can decide to wait for the price to get to the nearest key level, that is support level for a sell or resistance level for a buy. Or you can decide to watch an opposite signal from the FX multimeter indicator. So in the case of a sell, you watch out for a buy signal and use that to exit your sell. Or in the case of a buy, you watch out for a sell signal and use that to exit your buy trade. Now, mind you, you can also make use of other indicators to confirm your entries and your exits. For example, if we want to add a stochastic oscillator, then we can decide to watch out for overbought and oversold zones as well. Okay, so currently we can see that the stochastic oscillator is in the neutral territory. Okay, it's between 80 and 20, so that's the neutral territory. Although the stochastic oscillator is pointing downwards, confirming that there is actually some sell momentum. So we should be watching out for when the stochastic oscillator enters oversold territory. That is, if we are using the stochastic for our confirmation indicator, then we should be watching out for when the indicator enters oversold territory. Once it does that, we should pay very close attention to price movement. Okay, if we have any sign at all of a bullish reversal, then we should exit our sell. All right, so make sure you always get confirmations. Okay, before taking your decision, your trade decision, make sure you always get confirmations. All right, it is very, very important. Now you can also decide to use another indicator. For example, the moving average. That is a trend following indicator. You can see that the moving average is currently telling us that Euro USD is in a sell trend. Okay, so we are getting another confirmation from the moving average, and you can see that there was actually a breakout from this point. There was a bearish breakout from this point, and all the way down there has been a sell move, right? There's been sell momentum. This was just a pullback and the sell continued. We had another pullback here and the sell continued. So currently Euro USD is in a bearish trend. All right, Euro USD is currently in a bearish trend. So ideally you should be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, and always make sure you use good risk to reward ratios. All right, do not trade more than you can afford. Do not trade in amounts that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, do not trade with more than 2% of your capital in one single trade. For example, if you have a capital of $10,000, you should not use more than 2% of $10,000 in one single trade. All right, so 2% of 10,000 is going to be giving us 200. So you should not risk more than $200 in one single trade. For example, your stop loss can be at a maximum of $200 risk, and your potential profit can be at $400, which is going to be risk to reward of 1 to 2. Okay, so make use of good risk to reward ratios, and pay attention to your lot sizes, pay attention to your risk to reward ratios. Okay, it's very important. And that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.